Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales leads with Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your sales leads with Constant Contact, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the Contacts section from the main menu. Here, you'll find options to add new contacts or manage existing ones. To add a new contact, click on the Add Contacts button. You can enter the information manually or upload a CSV file for bulk uploading. Make sure to include essential details like name, email address, and any relevant tags. Tags help you organize and segment your contacts effectively. Once you have entered the data, click Save to store the information securely. Next, visit the Email Lists feature to create targeted groups. Creating separate lists can help you manage your leads based on various criteria. Use filters such as location, interests, or buyer stage for better segmentation. After setting up your lists, focus on privacy settings. Access the Account Settings page to review your data protection options. Ensure that your contacts are set to opt-in for communications. This builds trust and ensures compliance with GDPR and CAN-SPAM regulations. Utilize the Automated Emails feature to keep your leads engaged. Schedule automated follow-ups based on user interactions. Keep your content relevant and personalized to maintain interest. Regularly review your email campaign performance in the Reports section. This will help you identify which approaches are effective and which need adjustment. Consider using the integration settings to link Constant Contact with your CRM. This integration allows for seamless data transfer and better lead tracking. Make it a habit to update your contact lists frequently. Removing inactive or invalid leads will keep your database clean and efficient. Lastly, always make security a priority. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your account. Keeping your data secure is essential for protecting your leads. By following these steps, you can effectively protect and nurture your sales leads using Constant Contact. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.